If your laptop battery is not working as expected, try these troubleshooting steps to fix common issues. First, check the AC adapter and battery status in BIOS. Before you begin, make sure to keep the laptop connected to the charger during this process. Restart or turn on the computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F2 key to enter BIOS. Depending on what system you have, the following steps will differ. For systems made after 2021, click on Overview. In the Power section, check the Health and AC adapter status. If the health is poor or the adapter status says unknown, please contact Dell support. Click Exit. For systems made before 2021, expand General and click on Battery Information. Check the battery health and AC adapter status. Please contact Dell support if the health is poor or the adapter status says unknown or not installed. Click Exit. Next, let's reseat the AC adapter. Turn off the computer and unplug the adapter from the power source and the laptop. Wait 1 minute and then reconnect the adapter. Check to see if the battery holds a charge. If not, contact Dell support. Next, we'll reseat the removable battery. If your laptop does not have a revealable battery, skip to the next chapter in the video. Click on the link shown to check your computer's user manual to learn how to remove the battery properly. Unplug the charger and flip the laptop over. Find and remove the screws on the bottom panel. Be careful with the washers, as they may prevent the screws from being completely removed. Gently remove the bottom panel and locate the battery and battery cable. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling it from the plastic piece. Next, reconnect the battery by plugging the battery cable back into the motherboard. Make sure the piece is properly connected and secure the bottom panel. Reconnect the charger and check if the battery is charging. If the battery is still not charging, use Support Assist to update drivers. If you don't have Support Assist installed on your system, click on this link to download it. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. In the Home tab, click on Update Software. Press Start to prompt Support Assist to scan the system and download any required updates. Click on View Updates and then Install. Wait for Support Assist to download and install the pending updates. Follow the on-screen instructions and restart the computer when prompted. Once you've updated the drivers, let's update BIOS. Open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. Identify your system automatically or by typing in the service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads and then click Select Drivers. Choose your operating system if it isn't already selected and set the category as BIOS. Click on BIOS and check the box next to the BIOS driver. Click on Selected for Download to open the driver details page. Scroll down and click Download. When the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and open the BIOS update file. Accept any confirmation prompts and click on Update. Follow the instructions to update BIOS. A system restart is required to complete the installation. When the process is finished, the system will boot into Windows. Using your computer's power-saving features can help prolong battery life. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. In the System section, select Power and Battery. In the Power section, use the drop-down to set the power mode to Balanced. Go back to the System section and select Display. In the Brightness and Color section, lower the brightness and turn off the keyboard backlight. If you are still having laptop battery issues, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on our channel for more troubleshooting content.